Hello everyone. I'm Paul. The lesson today is present continuous. I can't talk now. I'm driving.
You are doing the wrong exercise.
She is working at home today.
He is playing football.
We are studying for an exam.
They are swimming in the river.
Excuse me. You are sitting in my seat.
Sorry.
Dad doesn't watch this program. He is sleeping.
Okay. You can watch your program then.
Hello. What are you doing here?
I'm shopping. It's Jin's birthday tomorrow.
I'm going to the gym now. Do you want to come with me?
Great idea. I'm not working today.
Is Alice doing her homework?
No, she isn't. She is playing computer games.
Do you want my newspaper? I'm not reading it.
No, thanks. I'm watching a film on my laptop.
Is that your brother?
No, my brother's over there. He's talking to his friends.
Are you have a good time in Rio?
Yes, we are. We're having a great time.
Hello, can I speak to Louisa?
Sorry, she's visiting her mother. Who is it?
It's Hugo, from English class. I'm calling about Monday's homework.
Are you getting up now? You're late for school.
Yes, I am. What time is it? Hi, Sue. Where are you? In the office?
No, I'm working at home today.
Are you doing your homework?
I don't have any homework today. I am playing a computer game.
Marissa is a nurse. She works in the hospital.
We're on holiday in France. We stay in a nice little hotel.
Hi. Can you talk or are you driving?
I'm not driving, but I can't talk now. I'm talking to my boss.
Let's go to Mexico in December. It never rains there in the winter.
I usually have a big lunch, but today I'm having a small salad.
Oh no. It rained and I don't have my umbrella.
My father and I having dinner together every week.
Louise and Carl are on holiday this week. They're skiing in Switzerland.
Hi Sam. Are you watching the football match on TV?
No, I'm doing my French homework.
I always get up at 7:30, but I never have breakfast.
My sister is traveling in Thailand at the moment.
What time are you usually go to bed?
At about 11:30.
Look. That's my brother over here. Can you see him? He's wearing a blue hat. Hello, Nick. Where are you going?
To the gym. I always go on Tuesdays. Thanks for watching.